guys, in this video we are showing you the best and secret useful Android apps on the Google Play Store to check out for this month. And before we get started, my name is Anil from Ask Glitchy, and I just wanted to achieve 1000 subscribers on YouTube, so kindly consider subscribing to our channel. And without wasting any more time, let's get into the video after a short intro. The first app in our list is IndiaCall. As the name suggests, it's a calling app. By using this IndiaCall app, we can call any Indian phone number without showing our phone number. And after installing the app, just give the required permissions and enter the phone number that you wanted to call. Here I am entering my phone number, and after entering the phone number, we need to click on the call, and after clicking, this app will show an ad, and after the ad completed, the call will automatically connect to the phone number that we entered, and the call receiver will never know our actual phone number, and it will show any other country phone number like this. And by using this app, you can easily prank your friends and family members, and definitely try this app, and the app link is given in the description below. And guys, next we have an app called Universal Copy. We all know that we can copy the text from the Google Chrome and any other text files, but we cannot copy the text from the images Instagram, like we are not able to copy the Instagram caption and hashtags. So in this situation, we can use this Universal Copy to copy any text from in our smartphone. After installing the app, all you have to do is just give the basic permissions and enable the features in the Universal Copy settings. Now onwards, you can copy, like here I'm opening the Instagram to copy the caption and hashtag. And by the way, kindly consider following us on Instagram at Ask Glitchy for useful secret internet hacks and tricks. Here I wanted to select this caption, so all I have to do is just open the notification panel and click on the Universal Copy. Now onwards, we can copy anything from the screen and we can use it and we can paste it anywhere. So definitely try this app, and the app link is given in the description below. Next up, we have an app called InstaUp. Basically, it's an Instagram auto-follower app, and currently this app is not available on the Google Play Store, but you can find the direct download link in the video description below. And after downloading and installing the app, all you have to do is just log in into this app. You can give your personal account or any fake account, and after login, you will see these options like follow and comment. Here you will need to do this task and to get the coins. And next, the cool feature of this app is that you can enable the auto-follower bot, so you can get the coins automatically. After getting certain amount of coins, you can convert these coins into the followers and likes. And guys, now I will show you how you can get the likes and followers using this InstaUp. Here I am selecting this post, and you can see here I have 0 likes for all of this post, and I will select this post and click on the confirm order to get the followers and likes. And after some time, you will receive the followers and likes. As you can see here, I got this 133 likes. And guys, I wanted to say that don't try this trick on your professional Instagram account, because all the likes and followers are not real users. So try this trick only for your personal account, just to showcase the followers count. And the direct download link for this app is given in the description below. And before we going to the next app, I just need some support, so drop a like if you are watching till at this point, and do a comment about your favorite song, and don't forget to subscribe to our Telegram channel, and all the links are given in the description below. And guys, as always, in this video I have included a latest wallpaper app called Wallokey, and this is the latest wallpaper app for this month. And after downloading, you will see this user interface as super minimal and have no ads at all. At the bottom, we can see the collections button. In the collection, we have wide range of wallpapers like categories like minimal shapes, waves, pastel, abstracts, and many more. And all the wallpapers are neatly designed for the Android home screen customization. As you can see here on my home screen, the wallpaper is neatly designed with lots of space for the apps and the widgets. And all the wallpapers in this app are high quality, and the main thing is that this app is available on the Google Play Store for absolutely free. So make sure to check out this app, and the direct app link is given in the description below. And guys, finally we have an app called Typekeeper. Just download the app from the Google Play Store and allow the required permissions for the app. The main feature of this app is that it will store all the text and clipboards data within the file, even if we erase it. And this app will save every text and clipboard that are typed through our keyboard and copy text. You can enable auto delete feature in the app settings, and the cool feature is that it will store the passwords and emails. So if you are trying to get your friend's password, just give your mobile and ask him to log in your mobile phone, and you will get his password. So definitely try this app, and the app link is given in the description below. Guys, these are the top useful secret Android apps that I wanted to share with you in this particular video, and none of these apps are brand new, but I think these are the apps that we wanted to use. And anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more cool videos, and kindly consider joining in our Telegram channel at Ask Culture.